a flop of a project? Join me as I try to make my frown turn upside down. Friends, hey, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, I'm so glad you're back. I started with a pizza pan. I had such great hopes for this. Pizza pan, put a couple holes in it to hang it for later. Painted it black with my multi-surface paint. Let it dry really well. Then I added some terracotta colored paint and then said, oh, this doesn't look good. I don't like the way the brush strokes look. So then I decided, hey, let's use a dauber. So we go over the daub. Yes, this is going to go great. No, it's not. Then I had the bright idea, hey, let's make it look like a pumpkin. So we put the pumpkin lines in. Oh, that was awful. So then I changed brushes and I tried brushing over it again. Friends, this is just, you're going to cringe for most of this because I know I was. I was like, what are you doing? All right, so there's that. I'm like, I don't think so. So I figured I'd go over and do the sides, let that dry. Then I decided, you know what, let's use some pumpkin spice colored paint and go over that. Same brush. And again, I'm going in the direction of what I think a pumpkin would look like. And then I decided, hey, let's add some brown wax because it's not bad enough already. So then I decided to go over it. So now this is where I'm starting to layer it because I don't know, thinking that I'm some kind of artist, which I'm not. But I'm trying to salvage this project. So I just kept going between the two colors, then brown wax. Then I decided, bright idea, I said, ooh, let's add some white. Oh, Lord. And I just, I know. Love me through it. So I just, again, then I decided, let's add some more brown. And just when I think, okay, that's not so bad, I ruin it again. I don't know. But anyways, I think I did okay there. I think I kind of salvaged it, but not really. All right, so then I take some of these burlap leaves I got at Dollar Tree. There are 3 of them, and I wrap them together. And I'm going to take that wire part, and I'm just going to turn it down. So now we have a bigger part that we are now going to glue a piece of jute rope to because we're making a pumpkin stem. We are going to redeem this project if it's the last thing we do. So then I just add some glue and I start wrapping that jute rope around and bringing it all the way down. Because again, we want it to be a nice long stem. So just keep wrapping. It's fine. This is the one shining part. Listen, this is all I had. I took some wired jute and wrapped it around a dowel. And I made it fairly long. And then I stretched it out because then we are going to add that to the bottom. And all I did was add the jute rope, not the jute rope, the wired jute. I just twisted it around that. And then I added some more glue and then wrapped our jute rope around that so you couldn't see it. Ta-da! Awesome. Then I'm going to glue it onto our quote unquote pumpkin. I know, loose definition here, but there's that. And then I decided, let's add some Spanish moss. I know. You're shaking your head. It's okay. I am too. But you know what? It's kind of growing on me. Then I had this little thankful sign thing that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought I'd add it because you know what? I was thankful that project was done. But then I added some cute little pumpkins to it. I don't know. Listen, friends, I felt like I had to do something to redeem the amount of time I spent on this. But anyways, it's not so bad. I'm not so mad. I kind of think I pulled it out. But anyways, friends, thanks for watching. And I hope this inspires you.